Get him!
I need to wait! Try it!
Get him! Whoa! No. Oh, YouTube!
There's two on that side.
There's one right there.
Yeah, no.
No, there. You remember?
There's two over there. Incoming. Where's the M14?
Yeah! We got him.
Where's the M14 do?
Got him. Yay, that's good. Wait, right, last three. One left, I think.
Hey, where's the M14 do go? I got his name.
Perfect man.
Two down. Wait, are they all hit? Oh yeah, that's our team moving up.
That's our team moving up.
Okay, we've got two on that side. Let's go.
No, we only got one on that side. I hit him.
Okay, right. Single file, medic at the back. Let's go.
Go! You're a shield.
It's on everything.
Yeah. So, I saw someone like get into the bunker like 5 minutes ago. Hey, put them in the bunker!
Edward, will I take it?
Yeah, leave it there. I'll get. Oh, thanks, mate. Coming! Friendly!
It's right there.
Sniper!
Is that a sniper?
No. No sniper. Lethal.
Ala sa? Hindi ako, punta na natin. Kani, Roshi mo.
Where is it?
Did you put it on YouTube?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
What's the title?
Sniper hunt.
Last time.
Radar station.
Huh?
Radar station. What's that?
Really?
Rathbeggan Radar station.
You see.
We added you on YouTube.
Huh?
We added you on YouTube.
Me?
Yes, Irish Airsofting.
Okay, I'll add you.
We got one more up that way.
Where?
Up that way.
Okay, we'll spray them.
That's 4 of them we take. Have you put something in there to like make it sound better or something?
iPhone.
Stop already.
There's another one?
Yeah, there's one more up by Bravo.
Thought they said we're on the other side of them.
Where are those guys going? Are you guys hit?